Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Open Nordpass. Com or the Nordpass app and tap Create Account. Enter a valid email and choose one strong master password you will remember and never share. Write the master password on paper and store it securely because Nordpass cannot recover it for you. Verify your email by clicking the confirmation link within 15 minutes to activate device sync. Choose the 30-day trial or a paid plan to enable advanced features like secure password sharing and emergency access for trusted contacts. Install the Nordpass browser extension on Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, or download the Mac OS, Windows, Linux, iOS, or Android app. Sign in with your verified email and the same master password. Nordpass will encrypt locally and sync vault data to your devices in under 60 seconds. On mobile and compatible desktops, enable biometric unlock, Touch ID, Face ID, or Windows Hello to unlock the vault faster while keeping the master password private. Confirm sync by viewing imported logins and a generated test password. Import existing passwords from your browser or a CSV export by following the import wizard and mapping username, password, and URL columns precisely. Use the password health report to find weak, duplicated, or breached passwords and prioritize changing the most critical accounts first. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for your Nordpass account using an authenticator app or hardware key, and print one recovery code to keep offline. Finally, practice autofill in a
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.